If you're getting Epic Games error code 200_001, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple fixes that can help get you back into the game fast. This error is often linked to corrupted game files, missing runtime components, or a network issue. So we're going to walk through each fix step by step in the safest and easiest way possible. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes and PC troubleshooting guides. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to verify your game files in the Epic Games Launcher. This is one of the best places to start, because if even a single file is damaged or missing, the game can fail to launch or connect properly. Open the Epic Games Launcher and go to your library. Find Fall Guys in your list of games, then click the 3 dots next to it. From the menu, choose Manage and then click Verify. Epic Games will now scan the installed files and compare them with the correct version on the servers. If anything is missing or corrupted, it will automatically replace those files for you. This may take a few minutes, so let the process finish completely before moving on. Once it's done, try launching the game again and see if the error is gone. If you're still seeing Epic Games error code 200_001, the next fix is to reinstall Microsoft Visual C++. This is important because many games and launchers rely on Visual C++ runtime files to work properly. If those components are damaged or missing, the Epic SDK handshake can fail and trigger connection or startup errors. To fix that, download and reinstall both the x86 and x64 versions of the Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable packages. Make sure you install both versions, even if your computer is 64-bit, because some apps use the 32-bit package and others use the 64-bit one. After installing them, restart your PC to make sure the changes take effect. Then launch Epic Games again and test the game. Now, if the issue is still there, the third thing to do is flush your DNS. This helps clear out network routing glitches that can stop Epic Games from connecting correctly. To do this, click the Start menu, type Command Prompt, and open it as an administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig flush DNS and press Enter. You should see a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache has been successfully flushed. That means your computer has cleared old network data and will start fresh the next time it connects. After that, close Command Prompt and restart your PC for the best results. Once your computer turns back on, open the Epic Games Launcher and try the game again. In many cases, one of these 3 fixes will solve error code 200_001 completely. Start with verifying the files, because that's the quickest fix. If that doesn't work, reinstall the Visual C++ packages. And if the problem still continues, flush your DNS to clear any connection issues. These steps are simple, free, and safe, and they resolve a lot of common Epic Games Launcher errors. If this video helped you fix the problem, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy PC gaming tutorials and error fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.